You ready for some smoked crab stuffed catfish? I know I am.
All right, gentlemen. I use that term loosely.
Thank you.
Here we go. Ready?
Ready.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Richard!
George!
Hey, what are you cooking for me to eat later? I just want to know.
You remember the last time we were together, George?
Yeah, you were sitting like, you were really big, yay tall in a
I wasn't even that. I was like this tall. You said I was crotch level.
Right?
Son of a bitch.
Yeah, no. Damn bastard.
Can't put your beer in my head, yeah.
Nope.
Anyway, okay, I'm going to make some stuffed catfish.
Catfish.
And we're going to smoke the shit out of it.
Oh, all right. Yeah, hey, we got a smoker going. So. All right.
So,
Fit
but
bonus.
now I found a recipe for it, and it's like, you guys don't put enough on this. Come on.
Yeah.
So I got. It did call for shrimp.
He's taking liberties over
It did call for shrimp, but I'm adding crab also.
Yeah.
Gotta have crab. And
Ow. Crab.
Crab, and then you hit your hand against the blackstone.
Good thing it wasn't on.
If you don't do that, you're not doing it right.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah.
All right, so
that's what you can get.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the hell out of your way.
I also bought some easy peel shrimp and garnish.
You know,
my garnish is shrimp. Yeah, my garnish is shrimp.
Yeah. All right. Then.
No, I'm gonna.
Nothing wrong with that.
I'm gonna blacken them on the blackstone.
Blacken them on the blackstone with the stuffing.
I'm gonna wait until it's about 5 minutes ready because I don't want it cold.
What he said.
Yeah.
All right then. All right, do the thing, man.
All right, get out of here, George. All right, let's throw some butter in here.
Which part are you making right now, Richard?
This is my stuffing.
All right.
No, I can turn this down.
Put in there butter.
Just butter.
Butter. How much butter?
So far 2 just tablespoons. I think
2 sticks.
it actually called for 5, which is basically this whole thing.
5 sticks?
5 tablespoons. Give me a stick and I'll stick it up your.
There you go.
Beep.
Wait a minute now.
Mike's got my back.
I have my limits.
If it didn't have that branch. All right, let's go ahead and do this.
All right.
Oh,
is that Trinity?
Make sure you drop this.
Trinity and plastic.
Drop the plastic in. If you want to do this right.
Melt a little bit of the
If
plastic.
I see any videos you people on dropping the plastic in, I'm going to call you out. That's on the Blackstone. Hashtag Blackstone. Oh, I'm doing a double hashtag today. I've got the pitfalls going and the Blackstone.
Absolutely.
Take that, Charlie. Oh shit, my seasoning. Will you watch this?
I will, unless you.
I need my slap my mama.
Slap your mama?
Okay. It's in the pantry. I'm gonna put a chop on this afterward. Thank you. Did you just go all queen on me?
I did. I went all queen. No, because.
All right, while that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and cut my breadcrumb. I usually would just buy the store-bought stuff, but they wanted soft breadcrumbs. Oh, I guess I should get a camera on it.
Maybe you should.
Hello, everybody.
You know, since we already have a camera on Blackstone. Listen.
Hey, I'm done. I'm going to go ahead and do this real quick. Let's go in the pot.
There's a lot of it.
I don't know how much I need yet, so I'm going to probably put half.
Just gonna overdo it.
Come on, Peanut. Neighbor girl yelled at my dog. We get a little color on this.
Yep.
Even though it's already cooked. Rough cut these.
Because you know. Ah, you're in with the Trinity and the bread.
I don't want to put too much because it's
Soften that bread up.
yeah.
It's got to condense, right? It's got to.
Right. I might need more,
Yeah.
but I'm just going to start with that. Definitely gonna need some more.
We're looking good.
Oh yeah, yeah. No, it's ending perfect. Might as well put our crab on.
Crab on.
What good is that going to be?
Um,
Okay.
that sounds good.
So most of the liquid in here has been cooked out.
Or sucked up by the bread.
Well, sucked up by the
One or
bread,
the other.
but it's exactly what I need. So I'm going to pull this, throw it in the fridge to let it cool down so I don't start cooking the fish when I stuff it. We got a total of 6. I'm going to do the first 3. I'm going to go a little lighter here because the stuffing's going to be, already has a lot of this in it.
That's lighter.
Was that lighter?
A little bit. I didn't see how much
You're all talk, Rich. You just all talk.
I should have thrown some of that boudin in here. Might have to remake this again on Tuesday for the family.
Report once in 30 hours.
George ain't playing with him.
You don't want to know what just happened.
I know, just once again, it's not on my softball team.
Don't blame me.
Chicken's ready to go in. The what?
Chicken is catfish.
The catfish is ready to go in. The what?
Hashtag pit boss.
It's Pit Boss.
I'd take off my glasses because the smoke goes right to them and I can't see anything for like 5 minutes. Okay, we're at 350.
Uh-huh.
We're going to throw this on for a half hour. I'm probably going to check it at about 20 minutes. Right in the middle rack.
Yeah. All right, so we're going to take a look here and see how things are fending with the fish. All right. Oh, yeah, no, they're coming along. For sure.
We're going to blacken up some shrimp.
We are. With all the butter.
With all the butter.
All the butter. The buttery goodness. What else are you gonna fry shrimp in?
Turn that down.
Yeah, brown butter. So immediately brown butter.
Yeah. Move that butter over. We're going to put more butter down. All right. Ready.
Oh really? Oh look at this. Oh wow, he's showing. Ooh, he flipped his knife. Never mind, no skills.
George is talking to himself. George, where's your camera?
Looking pretty good.
Oh, okay, he's got it.
Oh, that's looking good.
And I'm dropping my shrimp. Dropping. I didn't even put in my freaking microphone. Slacker.
Right.
Yep.
I'll be a slacker. I am slacker.
So,
Pick one, huh? Yeah. Pick or choose. Choose and pick. What do you think? I'll show you pick your nose, Andre.
Yeah. Oh god.
All right, here's our blackness season.
I believe I caught that last little part on camera.
As I ignore everything showing all around me. These are looking pretty damn good.
Did you put that one? The shrimp are looking pretty good.
I'm about to throw them on the ground. Yeah, I think it is.
Okay. All right.
I might not have had as much
Oh, there it is.
seasoning on it.
Gotcha.
Got us a little parsley. Oh, a little bit everything. Everything.
Ooh, greenery. All me. All right. So, what he did to me here is at the end of the day, I've been eating boudin. I've been eating our
Chicken taco.
a lovely chicken taco. I had 1.5 of those. And now Richard's got me eating
It has.
lovely stuffed.
Ate half a bag of barbecue chips
Yes,
too.
He does take care of me when I'm here, so you know that's something not to quote out of context. Okay, so here we go. So if you take a look at this,
Charlie, I need over on the side.
so so what we have here is we have our stuffing that we also have in fish. We have our easy peel shrimp blackened.
You're not eating all that.
No. I mean, I thought that was the expectation. What the heck? You're not paying me, so I mean, all right. So anyway,
Charlie, kick his ass.
I shall not.
I'm going to start with
I'm not getting paid either.
this. This is kind of weird. I hope not.
They're revolting on me right here, live on video.
I'm actually starting with a shrimp. I want a little bit of that.
Yeah, it wasn't that. It wasn't that.
What? Oh no!
It was, I blackened it.
No. This is the stuff. And I'll tell you, it works really well with this. To the fish itself. And here I go. A little bit of that. Oh yeah, look at that bite.
Everything's in that.
That bite right there. Oh, don't fall over. Flip that around. Yeah, there we go. Lovely.
Mm-hmm.
All right, here it is. Catfish and crab and shrimp stuffing. Right? Is that what you're calling it?
Yep.
Right.
With the Holy Trinity.
And the really good bread, soft bread that was in there.
Which is what that is
That's what we have
on
right
the side.
Yep. Oh, that's good. It's got high salt content for sure, but it's not overwhelming. I mean, I think you did it right. I was going to make fun of you.
You told me. You told me you were.
But
I expect nothing less.
no, I think you double-sided that and then stuffed it. I think you made the right move. It might.
Oh,
All right, no, I'm telling you, this is a great recipe. I mean, you saw him flip it over, stuff it, and just flip it over, and then just put it in the smoker.
it was easy as hell.
Half an hour. You got half an hour.
Mhm.
You can do this. So remember, if you want something like this, just cook the damn food.
Just cook the damn food.
Just cook the damn food.
I know. I text Charlie to pick up the pellets for me because they were 20 pounds. I can only lift 10. I go to the store to get my parsley and beer and stuff, and I'm online behind him. Hey, Charlie.
Hey.
It went there.
Look, the higher it helps getting into fights.
Higher.
Fired? Is he getting paid?
Apparently, you got a whole lot of editing to do on this.
Yeah. It'd be, you guys watch a video and be like, oh, and shrimp's ready. Stuff it, George.
Stop it. Just stop it.
All right, so